soon as I put it in, the curls start popping in. So I just really, really love this leave-in conditioner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you all a new product combination that I just started using a couple of weeks ago, and it is a combination of Innersense and As I Am. So really quickly, before I show you all how I use these two products, I want to show you all how you can test your products that you already have to see if they work well together. So you would just put a little bit of one product on your hand, then you take the other and you mix it in there. And if it doesn't clump up, then it should work well together. And then you can test it to see if the combination works well in your hair specifically. But that's just like a pre-test that you can do before you start using two products together. And I know that it's so hard when you don't have the products on hand to see if they will work well together. So that's why I thought it was really important for me to show you all this combination, since I just happened to try it and it worked really well. So this is my hair with the products in it. It is drying right now, so it's not completely done yet, but I do want to show you all how I use these products, how I apply them to my hair, and the process behind all of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I just got out of the shower. I have already washed and conditioned my hair. So today I used the Innersense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath, and then I used the Innersense Hydrating Cream Conditioner. And I did both of these in the shower, and I already detangled my hair as well. So now I'm just going to take it out of these clips and start applying the products and styling my hair. So this is about where I want my part to be. Maybe just not that far back. So I'm just going to, there we go, erase the part there. And then I'm going to take a small section in the front. And then on the other side, I'm going to take a section, and then I'm going to pin the rest of my hair back. And my hair is pretty wet still. I didn't dry it or anything when I got out of the shower. And I'm going to first use the Innersense Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna use about, say about 10 sprays per section. You can count if you want to. But I do go from the root to the ends, and then I smooth it in and do the praying hands method, just to make sure that it is covering every strand of hair, especially getting down at the ends. I'll probably do another spray at the ends, just to make sure that's really saturated. All right, and I think that's good. Then I'm going to do the other section. So same thing here, just a few sprays from roots to ends, and smoothing it in and doing the praying hands method. I just love how moisturizing this leave-in conditioner is. It makes my hair feel so good, and it always, like as soon as I put it in, the curls start popping in. So I just really, really love this leave-in conditioner. You probably already know that if you've seen my other videos. Right, so now I'm going to do another section here. I'm gonna break this one into two and then just spray. And I'm just going to continue to do the same thing with the leave-in conditioner until my entire head is covered with the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to go in with the next product. So now that the leave-in conditioner is in, I just go through and I do the praying hands method one more time just to smooth those sections together. And then I'm going to go in with the next product. And I'll do a quick spin so you can see my hair with the leave-in. All right, so next I'm going to go in with the, hair on my hand, with the As I Am Curling Jelly. And I haven't used this in a very long time. Well, before I started using it 2 weeks ago, it had been a very long time since I used this. So I was really shocked to see how my hair turned out. So I'll show you all with this. It's very jelly-like. So I'm gonna just take all of that and apply it to one section of hair. Again, really smoothing it from the roots to the ends and doing the praying hands method again. And I always miss this section. So and I'll show you again about how much I'm using. So I get a good section here. And I'm really just taking my 3 fingers and grabbing some jelly. I don't know if you can see, but that's about how much I'm using. It feels so slimy going on. And then I'll let you see like the definition. It looks so good with those 2 products. Just love it. And then I'm just going to do the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. So just taking about the same amount and going through the rest of the sections. And you can just see how my hair is clumping together really well. It looks shiny already. Like it's really controlling the frizz. And it lasts for a long time too. So it lasts me for about 5 days where I can wear my hair down, and then I will put my hair up in a ponytail or a high puff for 2 days, and then I'll wash my hair. So it really does last for a long time. And it doesn't tangle much either. I think it's because, I don't know, maybe the way it clumps the hair or whatever, but hair definitely was not very tangled when I washed it. Okay, so I've covered all of my hair now, and I do like to take the front of my hair and finger curl some of these pieces. Just take it, swirl. And this just helps because the front of my hair is not as tightly curled as the rest of my hair, so helps it to last a little bit longer. And I'm just grabbing the curls that have clumped together on their own, and that's how I'm determining what I finger curl. I'm gonna scrunch it up a little. And then once I'm done with that, I am going to leave it alone and let it air dry. So I have also used the diffuser to dry my hair and definitely saw different results when I used the diffuser. My hair was still very curly, had a little bit more volume, actually a lot more volume on day one. And I didn't have a cast on my hair. So you'll see once my hair dries, I am going to have a lot of cast on my hair, but I did not have that when I diffused my hair to dry it. But today I'm going to air dry it. So I'll see you in a few hours. All right, so this is what my hair looks like right after it has dried. It does have a lot of cast on it, but I'm not going to scrunch the cast out until the next day, but I did want to jump on and show you all what it looks like because I do sometimes leave my hair with the cast on it for a couple of days and then I'll scrunch it out later. So then I'm going to show you what it looks like the next day. So this is my hair straight out of the scarf. I just woke up and took it out. So it still does have some cast on it, but you can tell that some of it has already scrunched out while it was in the scarf overnight. But still has a lot of definition and looking really good. So I am going to scrunch it out a little bit right now. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of oil. Rub it all over my hands, and then I'm just going to scrunch some of it so you can see what it looks like once you do get a lot more of that cast out. So you do get a little bit more volume, as you can see here. But still really good definition. And the longer you keep the cast and the longer your hair will stay, so the longer it will last. But I'm just scrunching it out now so that you all can see what it looks like. And there you go. So it's a lot softer now, a lot less cast. It feels really moisturized and good. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.